Let's look at how you turn editing on so that you can actually begin editing and maintaining any content in your course and also adding content to the course. I'm currently logged into Moodle and I'm at the home page. Let's go to the category where the course is that I want to edit, and you can see here that the course I want, the lesson, is listed. You'll notice it's grayed out. This means it's not visible to students. It's only visible to administrators and those who have editing rights. Let's click on the lesson and go into that course. And you can see here we have the announcement section in our topic 0 and then topics 1, 2, 3 and 4. What I'd like to do first of all is to be able to name these topics and maybe add an activity or two to start getting my course underway. The first thing we need to do to be able to do that is come across to the top right of the screen and you will see that Actions menu icon. If you click on that, you can see here a list of all sorts of functions that we can do. The one we're interested in is turn editing on. So let's do that. And now you can see that Moodle is ready for you to start editing the course. These little icons have appeared. This one here, this little pencil, allows you to edit the names of items. And this little plus sign here allows you to pick things up with your mouse and move them around. And then you will notice to the right, the edit menu appears. So you've got these options to be able to edit the items that already exist. And you can also add an activity or resource. When you click on that, a menu of all the available activities and resources you have in your Moodle will be listed here, and you can click on one and add it. We'll do that in a moment. Let's cancel that for now. First thing I want to do is show you how you can move things around. Now, at the moment, these topics are the default names in Moodle. If I click on this one and call it Introduction, hit enter on my keyboard, you can see it's been renamed. Now, topic 3 and topic 2, if I pick up topic 3, that's using the left click on my mouse, pick it up and move it, it's renamed itself to topic 2. And that's what happens when you move topics around in Moodle and you're editing and it's the default name. It will rename them for you. If you actually name that topic though, let's call this the first topic. Enter on my keyboard. Because that is now a custom name for the topic, if I pick up topic 3 with my mouse using the left click and hold it and move it, you can see this has renamed itself to topic 2, but the name that I gave it has actually been retained. So that's something to remember when you're editing. Custom names will be retained. You can move topics around, and if you move them around and you're using Moodle's default naming, then it will rename them for you. Let's have a look at adding an activity or resource. In the introduction, I'd like to add a book. And when I click on book, you'll see a description of what the book is appears. So it gives me some more information, and there's links to get more help. We'll add that book now. And the first thing it'll do is go to the settings of the book, and I will call this Welcome. For the description of the activity or the resource in this case, you can put in just some information to tell the student about it, and we want to display that on the course page. So let's check that box there. Appearance, chapter formatting and images, we're going to leave this all as the default for now. Activity completion, the default for this Moodle is students can actually mark it as completed. We talk about activity completion in another video. For now though, I don't want to indicate activity completion for this one, so I'm going to switch that off. And we'll go save and return to course. And you can see that my welcome book has been added and the description is available for people to see when they are in the topic. If you don't want that description available, go back to edit settings. You simply uncheck this box and save and return to course. And you can see that description has disappeared. Personally, I like the description, but if you have a lot of items, it can take up some extra scrolling space. So it's a space saver not to have it. So in a nutshell, that's how you start editing your course and adding content. You need to make sure that you turn editing on, and then when you've completed, you turn editing off. And now you can see this is what the student will see when they come into the course. There's the welcome book, and we've moved topics around. This one's called the first topic, yet it's actually topic the 3, I think. So I think that's funny, but you can name them anything you like. And in fact, let's go back in, turn editing on so we can change that. And we'll call it the next topic. That way it doesn't matter where we put it, does it? Okay, and we'll turn editing off now. That's better. So you can see here, I can't edit anything. If I go click here now to try and edit that introduction, it won't take me anywhere. So that's a quick and easy explanation of how to start editing and adding content to your courses. You switch on the editing and start playing around. Have fun with it.